So you go and simply out of your emotions bring a gift for somebody. You go ahead and gift them somebody. And what they do with your gift is they pass it on to somebody else. Similarly, maybe out of your emotions, maybe simply because you have read it from somewhere or simply because you have heard it from somewhere, you go ahead and try to donate somebody poor. Try to, for example, you try to give him some money. So maybe they take that money and go and buy a bottle of liquor for themselves, or maybe in spite of appreciating your effort and praising the amount of money you are donating to them, they begin complaining to you that why only this much and by not XYZ amount. For example, suppose out of your compassion, out of your emotion, you are donating 50 rupees to him. And this man, instead of appreciating you for donating him 50 rupees and praising that 50 rupees, appreciating the fact and praising you for donating 50 rupees to him, he begins complaining to you that why only 50 rupees, what will I do with 50 rupees, why can't you give me 100 rupees? And boys, because of all these reasons, it may be personal, it may be my opinion, I may be wrong on this, but I'm telling you, never go and try to help anybody or everybody. Do not gift people out of emotions. Okay, first let them ask you. Even when you can offer something to someone, let them first ask you for it from you. Why? Because it will make them appreciate you and appreciate your effort and appreciate the gift you are giving to them. When you go and give a gift to somebody without they asking you for it, they do not respect it, they do not appreciate it, they do not respect and appreciate your effort. And I think even you might have experienced it many times that the thing which you gifted to somebody, they passed it on to somebody else. They did not keep it to themselves, they did not use it, they did not enjoy it, they simply took it from you and passed it to somebody else. So boys, until and unless somebody comes ahead and asks you for something, you do not give anything to anybody. Only when they are asking you for it, then only you give that thing or gift that thing to that particular person, because otherwise they'll not appreciate you, they'll not appreciate your effort, they'll not appreciate your gift. So you must make people appreciate you, appreciate your effort, and whatever you are gifting to them, they must appreciate it. And they will appreciate it only when you will give it to them, when they will come ahead and ask for it from you. And this is exactly what happens in case of donations. You think this guy is poor, let me go and help him. You offer him 50 rupees, and instead of appreciating you and appreciating that 50 rupees, she begins or he begins complaining to you that why only 50 rupees? What will I do of 50 rupees? Why can't you give me 100 rupees? Why can't you give me 200 rupees? That person could have appreciated you, praised you for whatever you are donating to him or her, but still he or she chooses you to complain about it to you. He or she chooses to whine about it without showing any appreciation towards you, towards your effort, and towards whatever you are donating to that person. So I may sound wrong on this. I may sound somebody who's very hard-hearted and who is not compassionate and kind about people when I am telling you this. But this is my personal opinion. This is what I believe in. Do not go out of your way to help people, to donate something to people until and unless they come and ask you about it, request you about it. Only when they insist or request or ask you about it, then only you can go ahead and donate something to them or help them in any way. And that is also when you can afford it. And that is also whatever you can afford. You do not need to go out of your way to help people and to give something to them, to donate something to them. And never do it without they are asking you or requesting you about it, because they'll not appreciate it, They'll not appreciate the effort. They will not appreciate your donation. Most probably they will go ahead and misuse your donation. Most probably they will go ahead and use it casually. They'll casually waste it on some useless stuff. You never know. So people don't appreciate things which they get for free. So make people put effort to get things from you first, and only once they put genuine effort to get things from you, then only you go ahead and give things to them, and you give whatever you can afford to them. You also do not go out of your way to help and donate and gift to people. You also do not put yourself into unnecessary troubles because of others, and in order to help people, in order to give gifts to people. I'm not sure how many of you will take this advice or take this video, but this is what my personal opinion is. This is what my personal observation is. This is what my personal experience is. People simply do not care about whatever you give to them, whatever you donate to them, without they are asking for it, without they are requesting for it, without they are first putting effort into getting that thing from you. So let people first put effort to get that thing from you. Any gift, any donation, any help, then only they'll appreciate it. Then only they will appreciate your effort. In fact, very intentionally and deliberately make people to appreciate your effort and to appreciate you and to appreciate whatever you are offering to them. They must respect it, they must appreciate it, and they must admire you for going ahead and helping them, donating things to them, gifting them, offering them things, bringing things to them, bringing things for them. So take this lesson in any way you want, but this is what my personal opinion is. I simply do not find any logic in being compassionate and kind about people. Maybe I am wrong on this, but this is what my personal opinion is. Even though these people are looking poor to you, even though these people are looking helpless to you, they are not poor, they are not helpless. Human beings are very ungrateful. Human beings are very mean. Human beings are very thankless, especially towards people and towards things which becomes available and accessible to them for free.